Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are doing a late night nail session and we are doing my acrylic design. I'm going with black and purple, so if you want to see how I did this set, let's go. I'm always doing the most, finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back, let it swing right back. I'm going to start off by applying my nail tips, and today I'm using the Nailmate Easy Tips. These are my favorite stiletto tips. You guys know that I've been using these forever. These are a more flat style tip, but if you love a pinched C curve in your nail tips, like more of a sculpted look, then I can recommend the clear Easy Tips. They are the pre-pinched tips. Sorry, clear easy tips. No, I've just told you the same ones. The clear pre-pinched tips, sorry. They are the ones that have that more deeper C curve in there, like you've sculpted them. But these are beautiful if you love that flat style C curve. So I'm going to go ahead, get those applied using my favorite nail glue. This is the Instant Nail Brush On Glue. We do have this in like a little dropper as well if you prefer to have like the little nozzle to apply the glue, because I know some people prefer that. I absolutely love the brush on glue. It has never ever in like the nearly, I don't even know how many years we've stocked our glue. I'm going to say like 7-8 years. I've never had one glue shut with me, but prior to using my glue, oh my god, the amount of glues that I had in the drawer that were like still half full and glued together was diabolical. So annoying. But yeah, not going to have that issue with the instant glue from Nailmate. So check that one out if you've been looking for a new glue for your press-on nails or for your nail tips. So I've come in with the tip cutters and we're just trimming off a small amount because I don't want the full length. We are going like medium coffin shape for this set. I actually did have a content shoot the day after and needed these nails to be workable. Now let me tell you, I was going to plan on doing both of my hands, but I only ended up getting time to do the one. So, you know, in true nail tech fashion, one hand was done and one hand was not for our content shoot day, but it's fine. I made it work. It wasn't too much of an issue anyway. I'm using pure pink. You guys know I'm obsessed. I'm in love with it. It is a kind of bubbly gum pink. It's not super bright. So against the white lint wipe, it looks like super bright pink, but it isn't. On the nail, you'll see when I finish the set, it just looks like a gorgeous pink toned cover powder that is not too bright. I'm using a selection of glitters. I will put the names on the screen because they are not in my head right now. And then we're using blackout as the base for the glitters. Of course, Pro Bond, my fave acid nail primer. No lifting, no nothing, no anything. It's beautiful. And I'm going to apply that to the natural nail only. We don't want to add this to the skin. We don't need to put it on the nail tip. Just where that natural nail is exposed, you're going to apply a sparingly, a sparse, I don't even know if that's the right word, a small amount, okay? We're not flooding it. We're not like oversaturating it. Just a little bit to that nail plate. It's going to chemically etch and create small pockets within the nail plate to allow our acrylic to bond to it. I then came in, did my clear base, and now I'm coming in with design. So I've started off with pure pink as the nail beds, then I'm coming in with blackout acrylic, just a nice wash of it. Now my acrylics are super, super pigmented. You can use them thin as I am here to build up a design, or if you wanted to do it as a thicker application, you can absolutely do that as well. So I'm coming in with the glitter and then I'm coming in with the other glitter on top and just adding a small amount over just to layer it up and create that depth. I wanted a bit of black and a bit of purple on this nail, so we're doing a bit of both. I also just wanted to check in with you guys to see whether you've seen my new series on the shorts. I'm doing 31 days of acrylic nail masterpieces, and each day we are putting up a new design with acrylic, glitters, nail art, and all of that good stuff. So if you haven't already checked it out, please go ahead and do that. Show it some love. I'm seriously enjoying it, and you guys seem to be loving it as well. I do think I'm going to carry on the series. So once this one's done, I think we'll move on to 31 days of full nail designs with acrylic. So I'm really excited with that. Even though we are in summer, we've got a plan, we've got to think ahead. So that is coming up for you guys too on the short side. And of course, I'll have lots of full length videos because I know you guys love those as well. So I'm just working with the tip of my brush, making sure to get that glitter where I want it. And as you can see with the NailMate acrylic system, I'm getting plenty of time to work around and move around my glitters, my product. It hasn't like solidified and set like within seconds. You get quite a good while to work with the product. So my system is 100% beginner friendly, and if you have any issues or you need any support with the product, I'm always here with product videos. And obviously you can reach out to us via DM. Mostly if you don't get a response, DM, email us, I'm always there, or Sean as well. And we are happy to help as always. Okay, how cute is that? Can we also just take a second for the background? I want to know if it's too distracting or do you love it? Because honestly, I'm in love with it, but I don't want it to be like too distracting because it's like shimmery and glittery and purple, you know? We'll have to see, but I'm obsessed with it, to be honest. Let me know in the comments what you guys think, because you're the ones having to watch it. But whilst I'm editing, I'm like, she looks delicious. She looks beautiful. I'm pretty obsessed. Next up, I'm coming in. We're doing a colour blocking nail. So this is going to be a split right down the centre, and I didn't get it exactly straight. So don't even look at that, okay? But it still looked cute. My whole plan is to add some extra charms and things over the top anyway. So I'm going to be covering that bit up. I'm using pure pink. We're going to do one half of the nail and making sure we're using the belly of the brush to maneuver that product around and get it exactly where we want it to be. It takes time, it takes practice, and it takes patience. But let me tell you, I have so many YouTube videos, but if you want something more in-depth, more learning focused, I do have a full acrylic design online class that you can take. It is currently on sale. I think it's 50% off, so I'm going to link it in the description. If you want to check it out, you absolutely can. You do get that support there, and it is way more in depth as far as acrylic design goes. I go through color blocking, acrylic marbling with like multiple colors, ombre design, and I think 2 color ombre and 3 color ombre design, and then a 3D bow as a bonus kind of lesson. It's a really, really good in-depth online masterclass that if you want to take your acrylic skills to the next level, that is definitely for you. So I can 100% recommend that because I created it, okay? I've refined the line in the central point, and now I'm coming in and we're doing the other side of this nail. So I'm doing metallic lilac at the top half, blending that down. We don't want it super thick. And then I'm coming in with blackout just to give a base to my glitter, and I'm filling the bottom portion with the black glitter. Let me just check which glitter it is because I need to know. The black glitter is called Nebula. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's just a solid, I want to say solid black, but it's holographic, so it's not solid black, is it? But it's absolutely gorgeous. It's a multi-mix with chunky, fine, and medium hexagons in there. It's stunning for Halloween, but I just love a holographic black glitter anyway. We have a glitter acrylic called Deceased, and it's just a super fine glitter acrylic. I'm obsessed with that one. Absolutely gorgeous. Also, if you are an acrylic girly and you're looking for powders, I'm restocking or have restocked all of my acrylics now. They've been all moved over to the larger 30-gram jars, and every single colour near enough should be back in stock. If not, we're working through, and you can check them out on Glitter Planet Nail Shop, which is glitterplanetuk.com. Everything will be there. You can use code NINJA10 for 10% off your order. And also another thing, see, I've got so much to catch you up on, guys. I actually started my affiliate program, so you guys can join and share links for Glitter Planet, the products you are already using and loving, and earn 10% on every sale that you make. I mean, what is not to love about that? Like, seriously, such a good program. We've had so many people join so far and it's been super successful. So yeah, if you wanted to become an affiliate for my brand, I'm going to leave the link in the description and you can sign up for that. I will review any submissions and accept them if they are successful. And I look forward to having you as part of the team. You can do this whether you're in the UK, the US, international, anywhere in the world. It does not matter. For the next nail, the ring finger, we are doing a little swoosh. You guys know this is one of my like signature looks. I love doing it in a set. So we just have the base of pure pink and then swooshing across and down the nail we have the metallic lilac. Over the top we have a bit of nebula and then we have that purple glitter which is called Beetlejuice. It's got the purple stripes in there. It's gorgeous. It was one from a Halloween launch that I did quite a few years back, but I still love bringing it out. It's just beautiful. This is how the design is looking so far. I'm pretty happy with it. It's looking cutesy, super sparkly, and I'm just like, oh, what charms, what extra bits could we put on? That's what I'm feeling. I'm like, what could we do? First up, we're going to do the pinky. So I'm coming in with pure pink at the cuticle area, blending that down, and we're just going to blend in the lilac sparkle, the metallic lilac. Oh my gosh, I got it mixed up there. And there's another ultra fine holographic acrylic that I love using called called lilac sparkle, and it's a holographic, supercharged. It's absolutely gorgeous. I got mixed up with that one. So yeah, we're doing that, and I'm going to do the same on the thumb as well. I'm not going to film the thumb because I'm filming that for a short, but yeah, that's where we're at. I'm chilling. It's literally like well early in the morning and I need sleep, but I also want to do my nails, and that is what we're doing. So now that I'm finished with the design and I'm happy with everything, she is looking super gorgeous. I just wanted to remind you guys, if you didn't already, please like and hype the video and leave me a comment in the comment section down below. I want to see who's watching, where you're watching from, or what time you are watching, because that's always an interesting one as well, isn't it? So let's do a little check-in in the comments and say hi. So now we've finished with the design, I'm coming in with Nailmate Crystal Clear Acrylic and capping everything. And you will see from the final shots that this clear acrylic is the most clear acrylic in the entire universe. Not in the world, in the universe, let me tell you, because she's freaking bomb. It's the ultimate clear. If you've been struggling with your clear, guys, try ours. You'll absolutely be obsessed with it and you'll fall back in love with your acrylic application and design work once again. I'm going to do all the nails, then we will refine, top coat with Supergloss, and I will show you guys the rest of the set and the finished looks. So I am planning on adding some charms. So currently this is actually like a week old, this set now that I'm wearing. But I want to add a character charm or designs. I'm going to sculpt them, I think, with acrylic. And I'm not sure which one to do yet. I was thinking Kuromi, if that's how you say it, because obviously she's purple and black. She's such a vibe, such a mood. And I think she's going to go cute. I can do a little 3D one and then paint some sections as well. So hopefully I get round to doing that before I take this set off. But either way, if I don't, the set does slay all on its own anyway, and not everybody loves that 3D element, so that's why it's not the only reason why I'm doing it in 2 stages. The real reason is because it's currently 4 a.m. and I need to finish this set. So yeah, if we get around to that, we'll do it. If not, I will do a Kuromi set in a separate one because I've been wanting to do one for the longest time ever. Okay, so now we're coming in with Supergloss. Supergloss is buy one get one free at the minute, guys. So if you add 2 into the cart, you're going to get one of them will just literally go automatically free, which is amazing. So if you wanted to stock up on the juiciest top coat, you're going to go ahead and do that because the offer is on and it's amazing. Look at that reveal. This is the most favorite bit ever, like ever. I love top coating. I love doing the design work and everything. In fact, I just love it all. I love it all. I could sit here and do nails literally 24 hours a day. Like, do not disturb. Okay, so we're top coating. I've got a show in September, guys, as well. I'm going to Nailtopia trade show where I'm bringing, obviously, a stall or a stand. I want to call it a stall because it's more like of a tabletop setup rather than like a big exhibition. And I'll be exhibiting and showcasing the Glitterpronic products. Obviously, I'll be there to chat to everybody. And hopefully some of you guys will be purchasing some of the goodies as well to try out and take back or stock up. So I'm really excited for that. It is our first trade show, so it's going to be fun. Probably lots of things that we will be learning on there. I do hope to vlog some of it or all of it, but we'll see, because I just know it's going to be absolutely crazy as heck. Like, I just need a GoPro attached to my head at all times. I mean, that's not a bad idea, is it? So yeah, if you are at the trade show in September, come and say hi to me. Obviously, I can't go looking for everybody, plus I don't know who everybody looks like, but if I did, I would absolutely be saying hi to you guys. So yeah, pop over, say hi, take a pic with me if you get chance. I'm sure we will. I'll make sure we get chance. Beach, I'm not really going to sell products. I just want to see everybody. I'm just not like that. Do you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm going for the vibes. Like, I'm bringing the energy. I'm bringing the mood. Like, if I just got to meet some of you guys, that's good. That's like what I'm here for. So yeah, I'm excited for that. I'm so excited. So hopefully some of you guys will be there if you've got a ticket. If not, I know that there's some people that follow me on Insta and TikTok that will be there. So that's going to be super fun. All right, I've cured the top coat for 60 seconds in the lamp. I've added my cuticle oil, and this is the final look. All of our cuticle oils, by the way, are handmade in our UK warehouse by me and Sean and our mother-in-laws, my mother-in-law and my mother, okay? Like, handmade in-house in small batches. They are so good. So yeah, this is the final look. It's obsessive, it's beautiful, it's glorious, it's glossy, it is bomb as fuck. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed watching. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and as always, please remember that you are bomb.com, lit as fuck, and don't ever let anybody tell you any different, because you've got this and I love you. Mwah. Bye.